Hello my little artists. Today we are going to draw a cute boy on a sunny day. We will draw everything using easy shapes like circles, ovals, lines and rectangles. So grab your paper and colors and let's start drawing together. First, draw two small oval shapes for the eyes. Now draw a tiny circle for the nose. Next, draw a curvy smile. Draw small zigzag or triangle shapes for his teeth. Great job! Now draw a big oval shape around the eyes, nose and smile. This makes the face. On the top of the face, let's draw the hair. Draw small zigzag shapes to make spiky hair. Now, add two small half circles on both sides of the face for the ears. From the bottom of the face, draw two slant straight lines going down. This will be the body and legs. At the bottom, draw two small oval shapes for the shoes. Now let's make the hands. Draw straight lines on both sides for the arms. Add small circles and tiny lines to make the palms and fingers. Next, draw a rectangle shape in the middle to make the shirt. Now it's time to color. Color the face, hair, shirt, pants and shoes using bright and happy colors. To finish our drawing, draw zigzag lines at the bottom for the grass and in the sky draw a big circle for the sun with small curved lines around it. Wow! Look at your beautiful drawing. You just drew a cute boy using easy shapes. Keep practicing, keep drawing and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, share and draw with me again. Bye bye.